Alright, welcome back. Now, like I was saying, if you use H1, it means that the write-up or the sentence or the word you enclosed it with is going to be the biggest in the web page. Okay, when you use BR, it means break. Now let me type more things. Let's see how it will be. Assuming I have this. Okay, let me press today, enter. Please stay tuned. Best of my skills. Stop. Okay. If I should do this, okay, let me save it first. If I should put it in browser, I will now have this. As you can see, I was supposed to break it here, but I did not. So let me go back to my HTML and then put line break here. Control S. Go to your browser, reload. This is so I'm building my web page gradually. I'm building it gradually. What if I have this kind of bunch of text? Must I have to put the line break at the end of the sentence or each sentence? Let me open my MS Word and okay, let me say I want to use this. So I want to use this. Alright. Okay, let me select this. And then copy. Go to your HTML and then yes, I have this, and then paste. If I press Ctrl S and then go to my browser and reload, I have a very long text. Now I want to break it here. See what I will now do. Come here, or you can come here anyway. Okay, let me make a paragraph from here. Instead of using break now, let me make a paragraph from here. P tag, open a bracket, close it. And close it here. And then within this place, you can now decide, okay, let me save it. Go to your browser and reload. You see, I now have this. Now I want to break the lines. I want the lines to break. I can start to put this here, It's not must that you put the line breaks at the end, or just as what we did before. Yeah. And then finally here. Alright, look at what I have here. So if I should go to my browser to reload, I'll now have this. So this is how it goes. Now let me still show you more things about this bold character. Alright, I have a paragraph here. Let me still put more as I press enter. Let me put okay, let me still make use of this. You can click at the end and then press Ctrl C. Go to where you want to paste it. Press Ctrl V. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and then Ctrl V. Yes, I now have 6. We have from header 1 to header 6. Let me change it to delete 3, delete 1, put 4, delete, put 5, delete 1, put 6, change it at the closing tag to 6. I'm gonna have from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. If I save it, go to browser and check on it, you will now have something of this. So these are the ways by which you'll be able to know when to put header 1 or header 2. You'll be able to know when to put header 4 or 5 or 6. Anyway, but usually the one I have seen so far, or the one I usually see in a website, is either header 1 or header 2. I hardly see header 3 anywhere, but that is how you build your web pages gradually, little by little. Let's talk about some character formatting in a website. Let's go to HTML. I assume that I want this from here to here to be in bold format. What I need to do is just to come here and then use a bold tag B for bold, then come to the end and close the tag. When I reload it, if I press Ctrl S to save, go to your browser. What I actually want is for this to be bold. Okay, let's see. If I reload it, they see it now. It's now bold. What if I want this one to be in italics? I have to go to my HTML. Let me see what I have there. Therefore, Instagram. I have to put an italic tag and then close it. Okay, let's start from here. Press Ctrl S to save it. Go to your browser. I want from here to here to be in italic format. So I've changed the attribute here. I open italic attribute here and then close it here. So let's go to my browser and reload it. Do you see it now? So these are the ways through which you build your website gradually. Whatever you want it to appear in your website, you make use of either its attribute or the tag. So what's next? What's next? Okay, let's carry out some project or some task. Let's carry out one or two tasks. I would love to build a table. Okay, let's start with table, and then we go over to let's say okay, we'll build table and then forms and then list. So let's try this. In our next chapter, we will learn how to build table, forms of different types, and lists of different types. So please stay tuned. I'll be right back. Thank you.